this lecture we will look at the market, what the market did after our analysis. So the first is Euro USD. As you can see, here was our analysis that we either retest this level and go down, or we come back and go up. And see what happened. The market went back, no rejection, no signal to sell here, so we are waiting for this to happen, the price to come back in this zone or above this line, and we can buy. And you see our target was here, this line, and beautifully it went up and even higher. So you see how simple it is, and yeah, you can be successful just by trading these fake breakouts. And let's look at another pair, GBP USD. Again, the price was somewhere here, yeah, here, and we said that if the price retests this level and reject with some rejection, we can look for sells, but we see there is no rejection candle, no rejection, so we are not selling here. And then we are waiting if the market comes back in this zone or above this line. It came back, we can buy here, or like I said, we can look for retest and then we can buy more safely. And here you can see it went up, big retest, up, retest, and up. And this was our target, this line, so again it works beautifully, as you can see. Let's adjust this line like this. So it was hit already, and again, very simple, successful trade. And this is something to be mentioned: never enter the market when there is retest with no rejection, like this. You see it went back and retested and up. So another good and simple trade if you do what I told you. And let's look at the last pair, USD and Swiss franc. We saw the price here, then we said that the price can come back and retest, or it can retest and go up. So this is what happened. You see the price went back, then big retest of this level, this rejection you see, and then came back and all the way down. So it was this scenario. Like I said, we came back, retested, and we can enter sell here. And yeah, another successful trade according to my analysis. And our target was here, this line. So another successful trade possible. And yeah, you see it's very simple, nothing hard, nothing difficult. Again, you can see it went down under this line, went up, big rejection here, then it went again down. You can even wait for the price to come under this line again here, and after close you can enter, and this 10 pips profit you can close, and the stop loss should be about the region, so for example 3 pips. So nice risk to reward ratio, and you can see you don't have to take your profits in this line. You can let your profits run. It would be a much bigger reward, but be careful because the market can reverse at these levels. So you can do it with 2 entries. You enter 1 and 3 with profit here, with take profit here, and the second will be with your manual profit, manual take profit, so you can close when you want. And yeah, I think this is all you need. You saw how it works, how to analyze the pair, and I don't think you need anything else. Be patient, be disciplined, and you can be successful. That's it, and see you in the next lecture.